friends, it's Sanchela. Welcome back. Today we are painting a portrait. I did this sketch the day before and didn't film, but I will make sure to make a separate video on how I sketch a portrait. So as you can see, I have already used masking tape and also masking fluid in some areas. And it is always better to do the skin first and then do all the facial features and detailing. As you can see here, I always start painting skin with the lightest layer and using wet on wet technique. So why I am saying wet on wet technique is because skin is really smooth and has very gradual color changes. So to ensure that skin is smooth, I definitely recommend using wet on wet technique. This will help you with no harsh watercolor edges. So as you can see, I am doing wet on wet technique. So what actually I meant by wet on wet technique is that you have to paint on already wet surface. That's it. But if the surface dries quickly, don't worry. Wet the surface with a clean water again and again, and then go on painting all the skin tones. This wet on wet technique really allows your watercolors to bleed into each other very beautifully. If you are wondering which watercolors I am using in this painting, so I will tell you I am using Koi watercolor set, which contains maybe 75 or 76 colors, and of course I will link this in description. You can check that out. These Koi watercolor set come in different sizes. They will also provide you with some watercolor brush pens, which is very nice, and also one or two sponge. Now I am starting out with the eyes and the detailing part, which I love the most while painting portraits. Here you have to be careful that you are using the pointed brush pen or the pointed brush. I will also link them in description, so you can check this also. If you are not sure about the materials that you should use while painting, I have already made a separate video on watercolor supplies, so if you haven't checked that, go and check that out. When it comes to hair, I only use one color. I will not go with layers of paint. I will use one shade and make all my hairs only with that shade only. Yes, many people use layers in this also, but to make their paint realistic, but I don't. Maybe this looks great on itself me. So at this point you can definitely see where I have used masking fluid. This helps you with the area where you don't want the paint, any kind of paint actually. So yeah, when you are done painting you can easily remove it with a sponge or your hands also. So do try using masking fluids while painting. It changes the whole game of your painting. If you are enjoying watching me painting this portrait, do give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. From this point I will start all the detailing works and all the areas which are left, and yes, the last layer of my skin also. Forgot to mention the most important thing, which is do not paint over wet surface. Do not paint your facial features on wet surface. The colors will bleed into each other and your whole painting will mess up. So when your surface, when your skin is dried, then only you start with your facial features. painting eyes is the most important and most difficult, I guess, stage while painting a portrait. So be patient and paint your eyes slowly. You should never paint your eyes in a rush. With your main features and the portrait part, it's time for the background. So here I am wetting all my background and I will be using wet on wet technique, same as I have done while painting my skin. So I have to do a light background in which I am using blue, and I will be mixing some pink or purplish type for give it a nice vibrant background. When this technique dries, this actually looks very beautiful. My maximum painting having the same background. I use only wet on wet technique like this in maximum paintings. Almost done with my painting, just giving the last coat of color or last layer to my painting where I think I should. So yeah, if you enjoy seeing me painting, do subscribe to my channel for more videos and do not forget to like this video. Finishing my portrait by painting the earrings. I'm using metallic color in my earrings. This actually looks very beautiful. You actually can't see the metallic, but yeah, I have used little bit of silver metallic in my skin also. You enjoy seeing me painting. So thank you for watching the video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.